Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduke cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seyika ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomenteranigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani wochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Najua mimi utagomana nyumbani.
Sawa, subiri.
Niacha subiri tena.
Wewe ndio umesababisha yote haya. Hebu subiri.
Unataka kufanya ukimbilia kwa kitu gani?
Wewe
na ukatipwa bure.
Kuna wewe mbona unaita? Tulia basi mke wangu.
Wewe umekimbia mpumbavu mkubwa. Wewe kama mwanamke unajamini kwa nini umekimbia? Na wewe wakunifanya hivyo mimi wewe kabisa?
Nisamee kwa hiyo. Subiri kwanza. Nikuelezee ukweli.
Unieleza nini na kuuliza unieleza nini? Sasa wewe unieleza nini sio kijua mimi ninakoma. Unieleza nini sio
kijua. Life got better.
Na ukwanirie omugasomuya mwancho mwarigerere wa Getembe Television and onsi asomba tutekoro Chinsa Isano nebere chabono mugaso nekerongo kwarigania ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano nebere nchengoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa kora sensemo yebe manyerere nere Wilson Makori na boigo nere matundra kora ase studio ya kabere. Karibu sana oikaranse wiki irinde nyare gukomanya ayo agenderete ase ense ya Kenya kupamono kora ase riroba ryabusi narari abere kawateka na nekirongo chaka ase ngo chaka Ekeonga Chinsa Isano nebere chabono omugaso ngo chaka kuro ase county ya Kisii kuro ase ward ya Ibere meyanyari bari chache nekirabono amagombo amanene hanyarete kobeta ase chinsemo echo chebeno nekiro babere abo banyarete kogwerwa ne nyumba ase chinsemo chiricha etierio bano obarenge kwani wa ritukoregoro na ekero ensemo yabamenyi bechinsemecho bari kwireneria abarai na boigo bonsi bari banyarete gusira omoyiga bokwene kia enyangi yabo yomwerio yanyarire koba eyengencho mono na boigo okuboria kwabo ngoringa egati yechinka chiri cyanyarete gutigara chinyare korigererwa na boigo abana bari batigetu gose onyo mwana otigetu magega na boigo chi family chinyare gusirwa ase amatuko buna yiga yobukendo obonene
Ginda uyibosoro ndino ginda uyibosoro amangana ya gutwaye kanyoro twakanyanyorete twagwateranire n'abantu abange tucyakire mu MC ito sibarika otugwate siri kalero constituency MP yore Saidi Chanda ya Zidane Spat watakoranire buya. You cannot forget him. Tuchi gavana ya itu Simbarati gavana korra yaye ikire rero mebere tu aja korera twakorira yega rero no turega igeti Kenya mecho we are celebrating the rasi nini respect ya bana abaitu Chofrey Yakundi na Nimrod Ondieki bari bakureta ali senyomberi ya water ntali sineka kinje muno oginda. I really appreciate abantu ali sengenje naki bato kwate siri paka bono rero ira mono kinkwebe kyagera omo musio ito kuruguna na si warika akorire party ya muno mwe musio na ndo murayo ito. You cannot forget mune family rero igana turege gani pa ibada tukwate yamara goba mebere ya rubosonga ari twatire na tureka ninganje tego tebya abantu baitu na tubwate sia baraiba tokonya muna bono ndwa konyara mangana aiga onye bantu baitu bakuruko baraiba tasweti igendo gyo kango basaba baraiba ito ngeri na bana bari bairete materials igari bajeti ko bagwakanwa igero gininga ndere ko sabana na ginya kubatebe baireta matobori erutisa ayere something like 90,000 egrandenten ba begeta ando bare korodi na bare ko fraud charenge chibese chiwe kabakane alafu noli akache kubaiga asiende yoko baika babange mbakaniri abakwete badaina neshiringa nabantu munabona Nimrod Ondieki no mondo tigire family omwana omokomo iseke obwato omwana nande uri morito omwana oyo goja gutwara chinguru amo chakora konda yaye itinisa road
mwancho murigire nekero umurai wense muske William Ruto agenderete netaro yaye asensiri ya China itaro ya matukatano nigobono rituko oriarero mapema anyara gusanga nense egati yabaraikro asense yo naboigo nekero abariganirie kigema gocha asense ya Kenya naboigo kubwaterana ase amangana ao na boigo anene mono koro asense mo eri yo bonchoreria naboigo korigereria ebinto binde ebinge buna amangana a technology umurai wense kawukona koro ase Chinsa mocha Beijing eme ya China nigobono anyara gotemanga ense ya Kenya ni ariganetie abageni bonsi bari baranyare kugania gukora obonchorire gose gukora ebiasara na ense ya Kenya na nene muno ekero obanyara korigereria buna baracho gukora amonchorire na boigo kubukia chi hotel buna bono Hilton na boigo Intercontinental Hotels echo chabete chigosiekwa ase amatuko aerire.
I invite Chinese investors to explore a wide array of opportunities and priority sectors in Kenya that are ripe with opportunity. From manufacturing, we offer promising prospects ranging from textiles and pharmaceuticals to electric mobility and construction materials, all supported by Kenya's expanding industrial base. In agriculture and agro-processing, where our rich agricultural base offers a double-digit return on investment, our ICT and BPO sector, housing and construction, tourism, creative economy, mining, and blue economy are other sectors that have wide-ranging opportunities for investment. We offer a balanced portfolio of sectors for all of you to consider. With our strategic location along global trade routes, as part of the Belt and Road Initiative, we offer world-class connectivity that augments the business ecosystem on the African continent and beyond, offering investors a natural entry point into Africa's next wave of industrialization, innovation, and cross-border trade. Kenya is open for business. Our country is undergoing rapid transformation, which constitute the fourth medium-term plan of our Vision 2030. This agenda is anchored on 5 key pillars: agricultural transformation, universal health coverage, affordable housing, the digital and creative economy, and the development and expansion of micro, small, and medium enterprises.
tigana nayo nekera tukurigiriria ekiombe kirikyo bochorine chimbebe kia IEBC nigo bono bari bakurigia obo commissioner ase kiombe kyo bagendete kunengiwa ase ritukoria rero ekero batano barigetie kunengiwa nigo bono emambi ya rero oyo manyakanete bana Simeon Muket korwa ase Chinsa mochire cha West Pokot nere anyara kwerera kose egati yemiroberieri abegete iriwe gochukwane kiauna ekirara ase kiro gekyo nae nane obokorerio buru ya gochase aba Kenya.
Let me stop you there. If you happen to get a chance,
Yes, sir.
kindly read again the functions of that IPC fund,
Okay.
and you will appreciate why it would actually serve the same purpose that is in the endowment fund.
Okay, thanks.
So thank you, Chair. I wish you well, Daktari.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, back to you, Chair.
Thank you. Evans Msati, please.
Thanks so much, Chair. Solomon,
Yes, sir.
I want to take you back to our constitution.
Yes, sir.
Our constitution of Kenya intentionally separates policy oversight from operational management. Operational management. Please give some of the reasons why that is so, particularly in institutions like IPC, where the commissioners and the secretariat who make over policies and the management, which is the secretariat, are separated.
The most important thing is to avoid conflict of interest. I'll give an example of where I work as a council member. Management, our roles are purely oversight. And therefore, I strongly believe that the work of IBC is to make sure that policies are implemented and are done by the administration. So the most important thing is to avoid conflict of interest. One important thing is there is also what we call performer contracting. In performer contracting, this is where people, be able to spell out what they should do by end of year, and their reviews are done. And it's the commission that should ensure that the administrations have met the deadline. And with that, like
you're talking about performance contracting. That
Yes.
means the contracts that you give to the staff.
Yes.
So, but how does that really ensure that you are?
What I'm saying is that that will ensure that the mandate of administration is totally separated. And separation, it is the commission because you are an oversight.
I agree with you.
Yes.
The separation is very clear.
Yes.
But I'm asking, how do you ensure joint responsibility? How do you hone the actions of the secretariat as a commission?
Teamwork. To make sure that out of that there is teamwork, build teamwork and do bonding. Like when the commissions are appointed, they do bonding with the secretariat and ensure that the work and you spell among yourself that the work of administration is purely different, and you also tell yourself as commissioners that our work is different from management, so we should not interfere.
Oncho murigereria ko bwatekana nengana yokonia kose okugura chinyigo egenderete ko rigereri wa kigimane serikali ya Kenya anene muno eyebwatiranĩtie nyagitari ya Medical Hospital gotoka ime ya Eldoret county ya Uasin Gishu nigo bono abateneneri ebenyagitari eyo banyare gukana eng'ane eyo nekero batebire barabumbare tayare kigima eserikali enyare gukora obotuki nabo igo nonye n'abanyagitari ebaroro nabo bakonyara kuborigwa ekiagera ng'a barabuti bamanyeti ng'a ebiasara ebyo bigenderete ase enyagitari eyo nabo igo ekamati y'ebunge erie kurigereria amang'ana y'obochenu nero nigo yanyarete kwenekeria abakenya munangochiere kwenekia amang'ana buna ayo tari gochikogenderera ase ense ya Kenya nekero omowaziri w'obochenu Mosike Eden Duale nere yanyarete goteba ng'a kero kende gosechinga kichinyinge emechando eri abakenya bagendete gwetera nabo igo enchara nere kwirera abakenya banyara konia chinyigo ase enchira enge buneyo.
We're fully committed to this exercise, the audit exercise. We are fully committed. And we actually want this to be a public audit where everyone will be able to engage. We are clean, our processes are clean. We have all the records to confirm that our processes are clean, and we will have an opportunity to interview our doctors tomorrow, specialist doctors and administrators. And we believe that at the conclusion of the audit, we'll get a clean bill of health, and we will continue with our activities at the hospital.
Also, we are going to examine the role of foreign nationals and potential transplant tourism, where people come and move seeking where they can do transplant, whether those are legal or not. And also to evaluate the regulatory mechanisms, the laws that we have in place, whether they were adhered to and whether they are adequate.
KMPDC was there when the organ trafficking was taking place. Poor Kenyans, because they are very poor. Somebody comes and says, I'll give you 500,000, then he removes his kidney. That is very immoral.
Wancho muligire na boigwetinga omowaziri Aden Duale ereniga gotebanga abakenya gosubutaka na bubwairire abakenya bachakire konia ebimo byemebere korende kwikirabo no ngokorera Ekeonga Chinsa Isano nebere chelitukeriga ria Jumatano nekero twarenge kubaterana nere Wilson Makori kurwa sensemo yebimanyere na boigomba tundra kurwa ase echi kamera na ndochengano nya ase Chinsa mocha online mbare babere bagusangana nche kokweranira mbuya mono kigema asenchira yabene nchinguru kwa Matildah Obaigwa nekero ngocha gosoka ngomwarigania DJ Reels anyare gosoa no moroberio oye omoroberio o vibes on vibes iko mwancho murigeria tobasaguska ikiagera chinga kichonsi Getembe Television nakyo Ekeonga kya mwamogusi.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisia ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iri abantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka yibwate emixer yibwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani ochoganiri erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale awatagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 01111615 00. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
HK International Medical Center ni nyagitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumika chimashini chinkongo asukumuleka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure, arthritis, cancer, chinyigo, imichando yichinguru chabagaka, ubugomba, gati yayande amange.
Incheno manyagitari irinike maubanye, omo director bwa nyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center irega yugo muchuito bosongo. Nainde ni gonta getoko bariga ni mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo va services chiekerero tugotumia obobwenia bwekerero technology yo kurigererio mugero omugima nainde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiri byasero gutwara umuchanda twakwa mariogo na marioga yetu ni gotunya rusiti ase Chinsa chesko ao nande ni gare habo ayuto kurusia ase Chinsa buna bono kurustura marioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga ande ni gotokurusia sense ya Malaysia ayande nkurustura sense ya Spain na ayande ni gotokurusia sense ya California, Los Angeles, California in USA. Mario gande nale tokurusia somo chio India na ayande ni gotokunyarusia sense ya South Africa. Ayana ara Mario ga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikorwa somo bero na ende nonya ni gokuru mwaka 2011 twabere tokubweni abantu abange nande ni gare habo